Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Python on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser. In the search window here, type in Python and hit enter. Click this first option here, python.org. Now with your mouse, hover over downloads and click this button to download the latest version. You can see the download right here at the top right corner of the screen. Once the download is complete, click this file to open it up. Now click Run. On this page, click these two checkboxes. Now click Customize Installation. On this page, you can leave everything with the default settings. Now click Next. If you've signed into Windows as an administrator, click this checkbox at the top here. Now click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Close to exit this page. Now let's verify the installation. Click the Windows icon, then type CMD for command prompt. Hit enter to open this up. In the command prompt window, type this in. Now hit enter. As you can see, we've successfully installed Python. Now to write your first Python program, click the Windows icon, then type IDLE. Click this option. On this page, you can create your Python programs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.